How to reset Shopify store to default. So if you want to reset Shopify store to default, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you can go and search for Shopify. And after searching for Shopify, you can go with www.shopify.com and you need to make sure that you've logged into your account. Here you can select your account and make sure that you've logged in. And after logging in, you will have this kind of interface. Right. So once you've logged in, then you just need to simply go with the online store, which is here on the left side. So click on online store and make sure that you're under the themes section. So click on themes and here you will have your theme. So my current theme is this one. Now you need to go with the three dots, which is here on the right side. Click on the three dots and then go with edit code. After going with edit code, now here you need to make sure that you've selected theme option under your layout and you need to scroll all the way down and here you will have this code, right? You need to select this code and then hit the backspace or delete this code. After deleting this code, you can go with save, which is on the top right, and it will remove all of the settings from your Shopify and it will reset your settings on your Shopify. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.